How to generate Instagram posts with Canva Magic Design in just a few minutes. First thing you want to do here is open up your web browser and then go to canva.com. Once you are here, you basically have to find Canva Magic Design. So you can click on this more option and then here you'll find it. If you don't see it over here, you can create a post. Go to social media and then from here select Instagram post. Once you select this, it's going to open this other layout, your editing layout. Now here you can edit some existing templates or you can completely create a post out of a prompt. Scroll down here until you find Magic Media, just tap on it. Now just go ahead and describe your prompt over here. Now go to graphics, you could also do 5+ words to describe. I'll just do image for now. Once you enter your prompt, you could just go ahead and click generate images. Wait for a bit. Now Canva is going to generate multiple stylish layouts like these. You can just click on that and then adjust your image and you should be good to go. As you can see, everything looks very realistic, even though it's AI. And you can also ask Canva to generate caption for you as well. Now that's how you basically generate an image in under a few seconds with Canva Magic Media. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If so, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.